Deep in the scorching deserts of Zimbabwe, architect Mick Pierce faced an impossible challenge with the Eastgate Center in Harare. Design a building that stays cool, without air conditioning. His genius solution: mimic termites. These tiny insects construct mounds with sophisticated natural ventilation systems, keeping temperatures stable. Pierce's termite-inspired design drastically reduced energy usage, consuming nearly 90% less energy compared to conventional buildings. But here's the kicker. Did you know the construction industry alone devours nearly 40% of global energy and spits out almost 39% of CO2 emissions? With our cities rapidly expanding, this isn't just alarming, it's catastrophic. But what if our buildings could power themselves, breathe like forests, and even purify polluted air? Today, we're diving into mind-blowing structures that defy imagination. Skyscrapers acting as giant batteries, buildings generating their own electricity, towers harnessing hurricanes for power, buildings smarter than your smartphone, and even a power plant that doubles as a ski slope. What you're about to see might just change the way you think about buildings forever. Imagine a bustling city baking in tropical heat. Welcome to Singapore, where satellite images reveal scorching temperatures radiating from concrete jungles, drastically hotter than the lush green spaces nearby. Ancient civilizations solved this naturally, with simple methods like shaded courtyards, thick walls that blocked the sun, and rooftop designs that allowed air to flow freely, cooling their homes without electricity. Facing its own heat crisis, Singapore took a page from history and supercharged it with innovation. WOHA, an innovative Singapore-based architectural firm founded by Wong Nguyen Sum and Richard Hassel, reinvented urban design through clever use of greenery and airflow. At the iconic Park Royal on Pickering Hotel, WOHA combined extensive vertical gardens and open-air corridors that naturally cool and ventilate the building, reducing reliance on air conditioning. This design helps the city combat urban heat islands, significantly cuts energy consumption, and even enables water recycling. Singapore isn't just imagining the future, it's already living it. But wait till you see what's next. Next, let's jet to China, home of the revolutionary Pearl River Tower in Guangzhou. Imagine a skyscraper that doesn't just consume energy, it creates it. Designed by the architectural powerhouse Skidmore, Owings and Merrill, Pearl River Tower stands in a region frequently battered by powerful winds, including tornadoes and hurricanes. But instead of seeing this as a threat, the architects saw an opportunity. They cleverly designed openings in the building's facade to channel these strong winds directly into built-in turbines. As these turbines spin, they generate clean electricity for the tower. Adding to its sustainability, solar panels elegantly line its surfaces, capturing sunlight from every angle. But it doesn't stop there. This marvel employs cutting-edge energy recovery systems to reuse heat generated by the building itself. Together, these innovations allow Pearl River Tower to produce enough electricity to dramatically slash its energy footprint, setting a new standard for sustainable skyscrapers worldwide. Ready to see what revolutionary design looks like in action? Hold tight! Have you ever wondered how experts verify if a building truly deserves the eco-friendly label? They turn to globally recognized certifications like LEED and BREEAM, considered the gold standards in sustainable architecture, setting rigorous benchmarks for environmental responsibility. Take the Crystal in London, designed by Siemens. Initially built for approximately £30 million, a higher investment compared to typical buildings its size, this innovative structure quickly justified its cost. How? By reducing energy usage by an impressive 70%. Packed with smart sensors that adjust lighting and air conditioning automatically, advanced solar panels generating renewable power, and a cutting-edge rainwater harvesting system, the Crystal saves tens of thousands of pounds annually, quickly offsetting its initial expense. Meanwhile, across the Atlantic in Seattle, the Bullitt Center takes sustainability to an entirely new level. Dubbed the greenest commercial building ever constructed, it came with a price tag of around $30 million, roughly 23% higher than traditional office buildings. But its sustainability features are staggering. Rooftop solar panels provide 100% of its electricity needs. Rainwater systems save over 56,000 gallons annually. And composting toilets eliminate wastewater completely. As a result, the Bullitt Center saves more than $50,000 per year on utility bills, proving that initial costs are not only recoverable, but financially rewarding in the long run. Ready to discover more mind-blowing examples of futuristic architecture? Let's dive deeper. The Edge, the world's smartest building. Imagine a building so intelligent it knows exactly where you are, adjusts the lighting and temperature automatically, and even recognizes your favorite coffee order. Welcome to The Edge in Amsterdam, designed by PLP Architecture and powered by groundbreaking technology from Deloitte. Touted as the smartest office building on Earth, The Edge employs an astonishing 28,000 sensors that meticulously track and optimize every aspect of daily operations. From lighting systems that only activate when someone enters a room, to temperature controls perfectly tailored to individual preferences, this building ensures no energy goes to waste. And the results speak volumes. The Edge uses about 70% less electricity than comparable office buildings, thanks to its sophisticated artificial intelligence systems, solar panel-covered facade, and an innovative thermal energy storage system that captures and reuses waste heat. The building's energy performance is so impressive that it received the highest sustainability rating ever awarded by BREEAM, achieving a score of 98.4%, setting the bar for how smart buildings can drastically cut energy consumption, reduce environmental impact, and enhance human comfort. Ready to see even more revolutionary architecture in action? Hold on tight! CopenHill, a power plant that's also a ski slope. Ever thought a power plant could double as a recreational hotspot? Meet CopenHill in Copenhagen, Denmark, designed by star architect Bjarke Ingels. Officially known as Amager Bakke, this building completely redefines what a waste-to-energy facility can be. Not only does it incinerate 440,000 tons of waste annually, transforming it into clean energy for over 150,000 homes, but it also cleverly reduces carbon emissions through cutting-edge filtration systems, making it one of the cleanest waste-to-energy plants globally. But here's the real twist. CopenHill isn't just an industrial marvel. It's also a year-round recreational park. Complete with a sky slope stretching 450 meters down its slanted rooftop, hiking trails, and even the world's tallest artificial climbing wall, CopenHill brilliantly combines sustainability with urban fun. This innovative approach encourages community interaction, turning what could have been an eyesore into a beloved city landmark. Can you imagine if every city turned their industrial buildings into playgrounds like this? Prepare yourself, the future of architecture only gets wilder from here. Shanghai Tower, the skyscraper of the future. Now, picture a skyscraper so advanced it practically breathes. Meet the Shanghai Tower, China's architectural marvel standing over 2,000 feet tall and designed by the visionary firm Gensler. This isn't your typical glass giant. It's ingeniously wrapped in a unique double-skin facade. Think of it like a giant thermos flask, keeping the building cool in summer and warm in winter without excessive energy use, cutting energy consumption by 15% compared to similar skyscrapers. But it doesn't stop there. This futuristic tower has its own renewable energy arsenal. Embedded wind turbines quietly convert powerful winds into electricity. Vertical gardens naturally filter the air. And sophisticated rainwater collection systems store enough water to meet the building's daily needs. Even its elevators are supercharged for efficiency, designed to regenerate energy as they move. By combining these eco-smart innovations with cutting-edge smart building technologies, Shanghai Tower doesn't just lower its carbon footprint, it raises the bar for skyscrapers everywhere. Bahrain World Trade Center, MANAMA, Bahrain. Imagine skyscrapers designed so cleverly that the wind itself becomes their ally. That's exactly what you'll find at the Bahrain World Trade Center in MANAMA. Its iconic twin towers are ingeniously shaped to funnel wind directly into 3 massive wind turbines suspended between them, each measuring a staggering 29 meters in diameter. These turbines generate an impressive 1.1 to 1.3 gigawatt-hours of electricity each year, covering up to 15% of the building's total energy demand. But the innovation doesn't end there. The sail-shaped towers boost wind speed between them by up to 30%, maximizing turbine efficiency. And that's not all. The building orientation and aerodynamic design significantly reduce heat absorption, cutting solar heat gain dramatically. Coupled with energy-efficient lighting and HVAC systems, these smart design features collectively slash energy consumption by a stunning 50 to 55% compared to traditional buildings of similar size. World's tallest sustainable tower, Al-WASL Tower, Dubai. Standing proudly along Dubai's iconic Sheikh Zayed Road, Al-WASL Tower is reshaping the skyline and redefining sustainability. Set to be completed in 2025, this 302-meter, 986-foot architectural marvel is slated to become the tallest ceramic facade skyscraper in the world. But what makes Al-WASL Tower truly revolutionary isn't just its towering height, it's its groundbreaking sustainable design. The building's unique ceramic facade is crafted from intricately placed clay elements. Using parametric modeling, these ceramic fins are positioned at precise 12.8-degree angles, creating an innovative shading and natural cooling system. Block sunlight efficiently, significantly reducing heat absorption. Conversely, the north facade flips this ratio, allowing 60% transparency to invite gentle sunlight deep into the interior. But beyond aesthetics, sustainability drives every element. The exterior lighting designed by AUP beautifully illuminates the ceramic facade at night, powered entirely by solar panels strategically installed on the adjacent car park building. This renewable energy setup fully powers the tower's ground floor and sky lobby, showcasing its commitment to environmental responsibility. This innovative skyscraper doesn't just stand tall. It symbolizes Dubai's ambitious leap into a future where luxury, sustainability, and architectural ingenuity unite seamlessly. As we journeyed through these groundbreaking buildings, one thing became crystal clear. Sustainable architecture isn't just an idealistic vision. It's a tangible, transformative reality. Imagine cities where every building contributes positively to our environment, where innovation aligns seamlessly with nature, enhancing human health and quality of life. Buildings that save energy, reduce emissions, and inspire entire communities to rethink what's possible. The future isn't about buildings competing to be taller or flashier. It's about designing spaces that nurture both humanity and our planet. Now more than ever, architects, engineers, and city planners hold the keys to a brighter, healthier future. So ask yourself, what kind of buildings do we truly deserve? And what legacy do we want to leave behind? Together, let's design a future that's extraordinary, sustainable, and undeniably human. If you loved exploring the future of sustainable megastructures, there's so much more waiting for you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us here on Megaprojects Uncovered, where we dive deep into the world's most ambitious engineering marvels. We truly appreciate your time. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. This is just the beginning. The next incredible mega project is right around the corner. See you in the next video.